welcome back and good morning here from Hoi An, Vietnam, the next destination on our little crazy journey through Vietnam. We are going to be going around today, exploring the city, seeing what it has to offer, so we thought we'd bring you along with us. Walking through the old town, you will see there is just tailoring shop after tailoring shop. It's really popular here, it's one of the main things that they offer. They do everything from suits, shoes, bikinis, they literally, you can show them anything and they'll make it. I unfortunately can't fit anything more in my bag right now, but if you've got any room for clothes, this is the place where to get it from. So Charlie was just filming and this lady said, come here, we'll get like, we'll get a picture. So Charlie filmed us and she's like, $1. The cheek of it!
After the fact that she'd already got in the video. Joker. Absolute joker.
So behind us here is the Japanese bridge. It's absolutely beautiful. It's 430 years old. It's located in the old quarter. You're not actually allowed to go over it without a ticket because they say like the more people roaming, over it freely will cause damage to the bridge. So yeah, beautiful though.
We've just come back from the Japanese bridge now and it's nice to see such things so old here in Hoi An, and like it's kept so many years, 430 years, and kept so nice. We did actually get a chance to walk on the bridge. We didn't buy a ticket to go all the way across because it's only about 10 steps, so it's not really any point in us.
Over the bridge.
Yeah, we literally just walked onto the bridge and then walked off and got the film and seen everything we would want to see if we would have bought a ticket anyway. So yeah, if you do want to do it, the ticket office is actually in the middle of the bridge, which is a bit daft.
Yeah.
Because you can walk on and then walk off. So yeah.
What a beautiful part of the history of Hoi An.
Saving hacks with Chaz Ange.
We've come to the famous banh mi menu quickly. This is where Anthony Bourdain actually come and reviewed it on one of his cooking channels. He's a famous cook in America if you didn't know. So yeah, we're going to try it out now, see what it actually is like and see if it is nice as he actually said it was, because he said he'd be the best banh mi in Vietnam, so it's got a lot to live up to. Actually, I am a bit of a fussy guy, so I've got to do a bit of deconstruction. I start eating the banh mi. I don't like onion, I don't like cucumber, I don't like coriander.
Fussy bugger.
I like chicken, the cheese, and I like it. Pretty plain. Yeah, let's give it a try. It's a banh mi nice and soft like the actual bread. Nice.
Good?
Yeah, it's good.
So I've got a real banh mi with everything on it because I'm not a child. So I'll give it a whirl. Good. It's nice, it's like roasted chicken, cucumber, onion, and we've actually just put this in front of it, so I'm going to put a little bit of chilli on it.
Just had the banh mi for long now. It was okay. It was not, I asked to deconstruct it because they didn't listen to me again. Like I asked for no cucumber and they give me cucumber.
Fussy bugger.
But it was okay though, it was nice. It was probably the nicest banh mi we've had round here, so yeah, that's a positive.
Yeah.
But banh mi 25 still my favourite in Hanoi.
Definitely.
We're just gonna go find our sports bar now because the UFC is on, and yeah, it's the big one. It's Jon Jones, so
can't be missed.
Well, that was a quick domination by Jon Jones. Now I thought he was going to do well, but for what, a first minute in the first round, a bit too quick. So when you wait all that time for him to come back 3 years and then he finishes it in a minute, but great again just to see it. Now it gives us time to go out now and go ahead and carry on with our day. So we're going to go back to the bike now and go to the coconut boats. I think it's about a 10-minute drive from the centre here in the old town, so not too far, and see what all this is about.
Along this bridge at night, as you'll see tonight when we come back, it's literally full of people. It's where all the boats are with all the lanterns on the river, and they actually drive under this bridge and everyone ducks on the boat. We've seen it last night, so we'll show you again tonight. Need a bag. Can I have that one, please? Oh, just one. Yeah, not the bunch. Thank you though. How much? How much? 50. I mean, you would know. No. No. 5 for 1 banana. 5. That is a prime example. 50 she wanted for this. She was trying to give me 2, so I thought, oh, she might give me a little deal for 2, you know, I'll have 2 bananas. 50, 5 I said. I mean, it probably should be cheaper, but wow. It's
mad. It's like we said before about the more tourists and the more pushy and stuff. They will try and scam you if they can, and they will try and overcharge you massively if they can, like for absolutely everything that you do it with. And even in the shops sometimes, if you don't see them checking the till and stuff, they'll just tell you more because they know some tourists will just pay it. So obviously it's common sense sometimes, like you just got to haggle with them over here. I think they say a high price knowing they're going to be haggled, so just be on your wits and don't settle. Yeah, and don't settle for your first price anywhere. Madness.
Mad.
Oh. We're on our coconut boat tour now. We had to haggle a bit, trying to overcharge us by 200 again. Like we said before, they get anything out here, they much they can. So we ended up paying 100 dong each, 100,000 dong, when they actually asked for 200,000 dong each. And we actually seen the 2 girls who were saying they was trying to charge them 500 dong each. So it's like, they literally rob you as they can rob you, they will. And that's what I found here in Vietnam. Some people say they don't and like they get on well here in Vietnam, but I mean, we found that they'll try and rob you at any part they can.
We must not vulnerable.
Yeah, maybe it's just us too.
I've been dying to wear one of these for a full month, so now get to be the experience. Here we go.
Grafting.
Grafting. Oh. That's because you got it at half price.
I know, yeah, making me work for my money. Tell you what, I've got a sweat on working for this.
I'm chilling.
Jesus.
Yep.
Oh, thank you. It's a bit of a scooter summary on them little boats there, the coconut boats. It was a great experience. Like we said, we actually got followed from where we was on the road by a woman asking us our name, where we're from, and then she like kind of followed us to the coconut boat area, and then she got us on the well, that's when we started haggling with her, and then she was telling me she's got a boat and this and that. So don't be worried when you're getting followed and stuff first off, because everyone was getting followed by one person. It was a bit of an odd experience, and I seen some young girls and they was a bit like scared, shook up, and I just seen a couple then kind of trying to drive off. But this must be the way they do it over here in HOI AN to get you on the coconut boats. They kind of follow you and pester you. Now you can haggle them like we did, and we had a great experience. So that's just the first thing. Secondly, obviously, I've talked about the experience, absolutely amazing. There was absolutely loads of coconut boats there. It was great to see like the tourism thriving back then, because we did mention to ourselves that I can't believe what it would have been like in COVID with like, all these people not being able to earn.
So that's the second thing. And the third thing was that we actually paid 200 for the pair of us. Now, like I said, they was trying to charge us 200 each, and we heard a couple say they was trying to charge them 500 each. So, you know, just make sure you haggle the price. I think 100 each is a fair price. Only a few pound. I'll put the conversion up just there. But yeah, just, it's a great experience. I definitely recommend the zoo in Hoi An. But like I said, don't be worried if you're getting followed, and make sure you haggle the price.
We have just been for some tea now after finishing off at the boats. We went for a curry, so an Indian, which was really nice. We actually enjoyed it. We had a jal fries there, some tandoori chicken, some poppadoms, and some naan bread. Yeah,
not very traditional, but we do love a curry, so.
Yeah, traditional in our house.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do now is, as the light is falling and it's getting darker, we're going to go down to the river where you have all the lanterns and the boats, and to see what it is at night time, and maybe put our own lantern on the wall.
On every new moon they actually do a lantern festival, and it's fell on when we're here, which is very lucky. That's not happened to us so far, has it?
Kind of like a full moon party, but no partying.
So every new moon it's like once a month.
Like our type of full moon.
Yeah.
We don't drink, so.
Just putting a lantern on the water and leaving it as that.
This is practically our full moon party.
I think it's going to be busy. I think it's full of like locals come from different areas.
Busy one, but we're going to enjoy it and see where it has to go.
Yeah. This is the bridge that we was on earlier today, and we did say to you later on this will be full of people, and as you can see behind me, like you literally can't move on there. So yeah, that's how busy it does get, but it's full of people here. It's such a good vibe. It is a festival, so there'll be fireworks later on, all sorts going on, so we'll share it along with you. Just put my second lantern on the water. At first, before, we had to haggle the lady down to 10 each, and then straight away on the other side of the river, the ladies just said, oh, 5. So that's obviously how cheap they actually are. But yeah, we've done the experience, we put it on the water, and it's absolutely beautiful out here tonight. All the lights are dark, all the lanterns are lighting up. It's just such a good vibe.
That has been our day in Hoi An, and our first impressions of Hoi An is that it's a really nice little city where I think you should stop by if you're going from north to south or south to north. There's loads to do, as you see in what we've done today. We've been to see the Japanese bridge, we've been having the nice local food, which is highly recommended. We went to the coconut boats, and we've also went on the lantern festival, laid our lanterns, and had a mooch round on the markets at the night.
It's such a beautiful place as well. It's so clean, and it is a lot cheaper than anywhere else that I've found in Vietnam so far. We've definitely spent the least money doing things. Really nice food options, loads of nice restaurants to choose from. So yeah, well worth the visit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not been the best place in here in Vietnam. Like, I don't want to just give you false positives and say it's been the best place ever when it's not for me. I think the locals are a little bit too pushy in areas, like grabbing you, bringing you into the suit shops and that, and you get some places where it's the more busier tourist areas now. It has been a really nice place, and I do say to stop by still, but it's just not as much as Haijiang or Hanoi. I just personally preferred them a little bit more.
Personal opinion, isn't it, I suppose?
Yeah. But that has been our first impressions of Hoi An. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on the next one. So please subscribe and like the video, as it helps, and it helps push it out a little bit more. But we hope to see you on the next one.